Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove Microsoft Outlook on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for users and accounts. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. Then under account for owner, simply scroll down and make sure you look for your Outlook ID. So click on the Outlook and it take you right here. So next thing you need to do here is to simply click on remove account and follow the prompt. Once you complete this setup, the Outlook setup or OneDrive is going to be completely removed from your phone without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.